Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Creating delicious vegan frosting often presents a unique challenge, since traditional recipes heavily rely on dairy butter. That butter usually provides the creamy texture and rich mouthfeel we all love. But good news, you absolutely don't need it. We're going to dive into some fantastic, plant-based alternatives that deliver equally incredible results, giving you perfect frosting every time. One of the easiest ways to make rich vegan frosting is by using chilled, full-fat coconut cream. Simply refrigerate a can overnight, then scoop out only the thick, solid cream from the top, discarding the liquid. Whip this cream until it's light and fluffy, then gradually add your sweetener and any flavors you like. It creates a wonderfully airy and versatile frosting. For more traditional, stable buttercream texture, refined coconut oil or vegetable shortening are excellent choices. You'll want your oil to be solid but slightly softened, then beat it vigorously with powdered sugar until smooth. This combination forms a robust base, ideal for piping intricate designs, and holds up beautifully at room temperature, making your creations look professional. If you're looking for a truly rich and decadent frosting, soaked raw cashews are your secret weapon. Blend them with just a splash of plant milk until silky smooth, and you'll have an incredibly creamy base. Alternatively, natural nut or seed butters can provide a unique depth of flavor. These approaches yield a denser, incredibly satisfying frosting, perfect for special occasions. To truly perfect your vegan frosting, always add your chosen sweetener a little at a time, tasting as you go to hit that sweet spot. If it's too thick, add a tiny splash of plant milk. If it's too thin, a bit more powdered sugar. Don't forget to get creative with flavors too, using extracts, citrus zest, or even cocoa powder. You'll consistently achieve delightful results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.